Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Scratch. If you are watching this video right now, you are the luckiest person because no other YouTube channel will explain you the whole process of the solution which you are looking for. That is, Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So watch this video till the last without skipping any part. You can adjust the speed, but don't skip the video because the whole process is very much important. So let's start. First, go to this PC and click on uninstall or change a program and search for Java. Uninstall all the Java applications or softwares whichever are present in your PC because we are going to install freshly. So uninstall this as well. So you can find that there is no Java files present in your PC right now. The next step is go to Google Chrome and search for Java JDK and click on the first link which is from www.oracle.com, that is Java downloads. So in this page, Java 17 is available and also Java SE Development Kit 8, Java 8 and Java 11 is available. In this case, we are going to download Java 8 because most of the PCs support Java 8. So according to your operating system and according to your 64-bit or 32-bit, install by clicking on that link. In my case, it is 64-bit, so I'm clicking on this link. So checkbox that and click the download button. It will ask you to sign in. First, you need to create an account, that is Oracle account, and sign in with your password after creating your account. So until the application downloads, it takes about 1 minute to download the exe file. In the meantime, let's go to C drive, program files, and let's check for any Java folder it's present in it. There is no Java folder, and in common files folder also we are not able to see Oracle folder. There is no Java folder here as well. So click on that downloaded application to install it. Click on install anyway. Click on next. Click on next without changing anything. So now you are downloading JDK, Java Development Kit 8. So you can see that a Java folder has been created in program files. So now click on next to install Java runtime environment. Let it install. So the first one is Java Development Kit, and now we are installing Java Runtime Environment. This is useful for your Java applications to run on any PC because it uses Java Virtual Machine to run your Java applications. Okay. In Common Files folder, so our installation has been successful. So close it. Now let's check whether it is going to recognize in Javac command or not. Generally, cd command is used to go to that particular folder because my Java file is present in algorithmic toolbox folder. Let's try to type Javac 2-digit sum.java and enter to compile it. But it is still showing that Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So what is the problem? Let's do it. Click on Java, click on JDK, click on bin, copy this location path, and in the search box, search for environment variables by typing var, edit the system environment variables, click on environment variables, under system variables, click on path, edit, and click on new. Now paste the location path which you have copied just now. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now let's try to compile it. I think it will still show as it is not recognized. Let's try to restart our command prompt. So this is the best video guys you will find in the YouTube, the whole process. Now let's check, like typing Java C, click on enter. This tells you that your program has been compiled successfully. Let's try to run it. Java 2-digit sum. This shows that your program has been executed successfully, like Java has been successfully installed on your PC. So this is the result guys. So if this solution has not worked for you, there is also another video. I'll keep that in the description box. The link will be provided to you. Go for it.